On 37, JAMB 2023 Mathematics. Solve the following quadratic inequality. X squared minus x minus 4 less than or equal to 2. Good. To solve quadratic inequality is similar to the way we solve quadratic equations. But towards our final answer, that's where the difference is, because of this inequality sign. We don't handle it the way we handle equality sign. So let's come with solution. First of all, I have to move this 2 to this side. It becomes 4 minus 2, that's minus 6. So I have x squared minus x minus 6 less than or equal to 0. Nothing remains here. Good. Of course, I don't want to waste time. So you know how to factorize. To factorize this, the two numbers that will produce minus 6 and negative 1 is minus 3 and plus 2. So I can have x minus 3 in one bracket and x plus 2 in another bracket, all less than or equal to 0. Good. The meaning of this is that you are multiplying two numbers together and the result is negative, that is less than or equal to 0. That is, the result is negative. What can you multiply together to get a negative result? That is either one of them is negative and the other one is positive. So both cannot have the same sign. If both are negative, then this will be greater than 0. That means we will have positive answer. And if both are positive, we still have positive answer. But one of them must be negative. So either this is negative and this is positive, or this is positive and this is negative. But for trick, in order to get the answer straight without doing two cases, take the one that seems to be smaller, take it as negative. Take the one that seems to be bigger as positive. In this case, only in this case, not in the case of greater than or equal to, please, not in the case of greater than or equal to. Now, looking at these two, we see that x minus 3 seems to be smaller. Because if you are subtracting from a number and you are adding to the same number, adding will be bigger than subtracting from that number. So I will take this one as the negative. X minus 3 to be less than or equal to 0, to be negative. And x plus 2 to be greater than or equal to 0. So this is what I will have. Okay, let me use and in this case. Now, if I make x the subject here, I will have x equal to less than or equal to 3 and what? X greater than or equal to minus 2. So if I like, I can bring this one to this side. X greater than or equal to minus 2 and x less than or equal to 3. So because less than or negative 2 is smaller, I can rewrite this as x, or let me say minus 2 less than or equal to x, and at the same time x is less than or equal to 3. So because if x is greater than minus 2, then minus 2 will be less than x. So I can combine this. The essence of doing all this is to combine so that we can have our answer, because the answer is not written separately. They wrote it together. So combining this, I will have minus 2 less than or equal to x. The same x is less than or equal to 3. So this will be my final answer. Check the option. We can see that option B is the answer. Thank you.